Oil prices have flattened out in the last couple of days, but remain well above $100 a barrel. I'm joined now by Charles Nenner of the Charles Nenner Research Institute. Charles, your cycle show, you see crude topping out in April.
Right.
So has the rally peaked out here, or do we have another uptick to come yet?
Well, a price target is 107. That's where we sold a long position. Looking at my cycles till the end of March, we would see another move up, testing the 107 level. But as you can see on the charts, the long-term charts, I'm not in the camp of $150, $200, because the long-term quarterly cycle is stopping in April already, and I don't think we're going to make it so high until April.
Right. So do you see another scenario like we had in 2008, where we had obviously that spike to 145 and then a severe crash down below $40 a barrel?
No, I don't see a severe crash. One of the reasons is it's not even more expensive to get the oil out of the ground. But I don't see this oil price taking off like everybody is afraid for.
Interesting. So is that you also do cycle work for geopolitics and things of that nature. Is that a call that the unrest in the Middle East is going to settle down here?
Well, it doesn't have to settle down as long as it gets worse.
Right.
But maybe you know, because I'm a regular guest over here, that the war and peace cycles I do, they point to a war at the end of 2012, 2013. Did it start already? Maybe if we look back in 2 years, we say maybe it started already, a little unrest. But I don't think anything is going to happen until 2013.
Right. And do you have any thoughts on who the combatants are going to be in that war? I mean, is it going to be focused in the Middle East? Obviously, there's a lot of focus on China's military spending, and are we on a collision course with them?
I'm not sure. I'm from Amsterdam, as you know. I think it's not going to be between Holland and Belgium, but for the rest, we have to wait.
We'll have to wait and see, right? Okay, so you mentioned it's getting more expensive to get oil out of the ground. That would be good for the producers, I would think. We've talked in the past about your bullish position on Exxon. Are you still bullish on Exxon?
I'm still bullish on Exxon. The price, we start buying it around 60 when the cycle bottomed, and I think it goes over $100. And the cycle is up for another 2 years, so still a good buy.
What about other commodities? Obviously, gold has gotten a tremendous amount of attention. Recently, again, hit another new peak. Last couple times we've talked, you've been sort of agnostic about gold. Where do you see gold?
Yeah, we sold in December when it was 1440. That was first the price target, and also the cycle topped. And I wrote to clients that if you didn't sell, you have another chance, which you have now. Don't go long. Just take advantage of the approaching the high and take profit. I think that since cycles are topping, that there's not a lot of potential there, and it's even very risky soon. We also look at copper. Copper has a very long-term price target, which means it's a price target we got 10 years ago of around 480. I think it's now 450 or so, which means is you have to start paying attention.
Right. So it sounds like you would be a seller on strength in oil and gold, and maybe approaching that position in copper too.
Definitely, if you get there. What it probably means is that what our indicators show is that this bounce in the economy is going to be over in a couple of months, which worries me because everybody now thinks that times are good and we're not taking the measures we have to, and we'll get scared again in a couple of months when the economy is going to be weaker than expected.
All right, well, we'll have you back then and check and see how we're doing. Thanks very much.